What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is my aftermarket gearbox rebuild with my reinforced diff gear and the middle gear right here. Both of those gears are reinforced, so therefore, I'm gonna be testing it out to see what it does. This is not what everybody recommends usually, but this is what I'll be running. And if you want to know where I got it from, just hit me up on my Instagram at ff03_RC and I can give you the full update. Again, I'm not really running a big powerhouse on the car. I sent out my ESC to fix. I'm waiting on the switch now to be installed on it to actually get that back. But this is my little powerhouse that I'm running for now. We're not doing too bad. Halfway turned up, doing the work same way. So you guys can stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. I'm running foams, as I said again. And, for all those who don't believe that I have foam tires, there they are, ready to go. So yeah, man, follow the movement and stay tuned.